Hello, welcome to Arts and Woods. This is Tanisha Arora. Today I have along with me Ashish Mittal,
Namaskar.
Director of Arts and Woods. And today we will be showing you the compact design of dining set. And in this video we will be trying to understand more about the categories of furniture that we have in market these days. So Ashish ji, can you please tell us some details?
Sure, ma'am. You talked about the categories. Let's start with this only. See, when we talk about the categories, they are generally named into a few. If we talk about modern furniture, that's a category. If we talk about classical furniture or Victorian furniture, or we have French designs, Egyptian designs, Indian designs, these are the name that we have given to categories
Yeah.
of furniture based on the designing part. And then we have mid-century furniture, and this one belongs to that category. I'll explain more what mid-century means. And then we have Victorian furniture that is quite inspired by the Victorian theme from the time of Queen Victoria. And there are a few more names these days, just like blended furniture, we call them. And I'll show you this one. And before that, let's talk about the mid-century thing. What is mid-century?
Yeah.
What really happened is during the World War II time, there were a lot of chaos across the globe.
Yeah.
So at that time, a brand of furniture was designed that is more soothing to the eyes,
Okay.
because everywhere you find so much chaos. People are so much in trouble, and economies were fragile, and too much tensions around.
Yeah.
So furniture is part of home, and when somebody walks in, goes to their home, or someone from outside, like the guests are coming in home, they love to see something that is soothing to the eye.
Yeah, actually.
And if you see this design, it's not very heavy carved.
Yeah.
It's not very simple. That looks very monotonous. Slight design with curves and all, and that was the theme in mid-century.
Okay.
So wherever you hear the term mid-century furniture, this type of furniture belongs in that category.
Okay.
And let's have a closer look on the dining set. If you can please sit on any chair.
Sure.
Okay, now we have a table here. Let's have a look at the table. And the leg work, you see, fine carved leg, a little heavier on that side. And then we have light carving on the sides of the table. And the top is plain. Now you can place glass on it, you can place marble or onyx, or you can simply use table mats, and it's ready to use.
Sir, talking about the table, can we do carving on the top of this one? Or if someone wants like marble or onyx, can we do that thing also?
Yes, yes, definitely. As I just mentioned, we have all the options. If you want plain top is this one. If you want carving on the top, we have carving options. Let me show you. We have a carved top here. So this is the carving top, an entire carved. So this can also be provided if you want something like this. And then we have more options like open top. And open top means if you are looking for to place marble or onyx, you don't really need such hard top. So what we provide is we provide a narrow strip on all four sides, and the marble is placed on the top of this. Or on this one also, marble or granite can be placed. So all options we have available. It completely depends on what client likes.
And sir, another thing I see in this set, we don't have any master chair.
Yes, ma'am. You are learning quite fast, and now you're noticing things.
Yeah.
Master chair is the one that has got handles, and in this we have all the chairs without handles. There is one issue with the master chair, that it doesn't slide inside the dining. Now, if you see here, I can completely move the chair inside. With the master chair, the chair with handles, we have this issue that it cannot be slide inside. So every time it has to be put outside. And this one is a compact set, as I mentioned. The size of the table here is 5.5 feet and 39 inches like this. Normally our 6-seater dinings are 6 feet by 4 feet, and it's quite smaller than that one. Half feet short like this, and almost is 39 and 48, so 9 inches short like this. So it's a quite compact one. When we are working on the compact unit, handle chairs will cover extra space. So it's better to avoid that. And looking at the design itself, you can see how curvaceous design and simple design. Generally we have a lot of carving on our units, and this has more plain looks. The front look, you can see very plain, and little work on the legs. And this makes the design the mid-century furniture that we talk about.
Sir, one question is always there, like how much space do we require to keep this dining set inside the room?
Really nice question, ma'am, because this
Mm.
is really important. Whenever
Yeah.
we have the architect drawings or the blueprints,
Mm.
a space is marked in the room that this much space is to be covered with the dining furniture.
Yeah.
And that is a space that also includes the movable area.
Mm-hmm.
Movable area is very important. I'll show you. You please sit.
Yeah.
You please sit. I'll
Okay.
show you. Just like ma'am is sitting here, and I want to serve her something.
Mm.
So for serving, I may be coming from this side,
Mm.
or I may be coming from this side.
Mm.
I need to have movement on all the sides. Now this is the movable area.
Mm.
This is really important because if we don't have the area to move around,
Mm-hmm.
it's very difficult to use a dining set
Yeah,
because
true.
it's something that every side we have chairs.
Mm. Bilkul.
If we don't have chairs this side and this one is going to the wall,
Mm-hmm.
then we have sitting on one side only. So
Mm-hmm.
movable area on this side doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Now, about the set, ma'am, if you can pull that
Yes.
chair out till the point we want to use it. Yes. Yes. Now you can see from the leg, the chair is going out, and there is some area in the middle that is required to keep the legs easily.
Mm.
Now we cannot pull it completely outside or push it completely in. We
Yeah.
need some area.
Yeah.
Now, if the table is 6 feet, let's say
Mm.
6 feet plus 2 feet this side plus 2 feet that side.
Mm-hmm.
So 10 feet of area for a 6 feet table. This is 5.5 feet. So
Okay.
half feet is lesser.
Mm.
And then the space to move,
Mhm.
as I mentioned. So I'm moving here. At least I need 1 feet, 1.5 feet of area to move easily
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
people will be holding food,
Mm.
tray,
Mm.
and anything to serve. So they need some space to move properly.
Mm.
So 1.5 feet of area at least
Yeah.
on both the sides.
Yeah. Bilkul.
So 5.5 feet plus 2 plus 2 plus 1.5. This is the area on this side that you require.
Okay.
Similarly, on this side, if the table is 3 feet plus 2 and 3 feet extra. So this is the area we require to use the dining set. And at the time you're not using it, simply push the chairs inside, and this is the only area that would be captured.
Okay. And we are Arson Woods, an international brand in furniture and delivering all across the globe.
We have 35 countries trademark outside India,
Yeah.
and delivering to more than 55 countries. We have already done the deliveries, and on the website you can see a client testimonial section. They will find thousands and thousands of pictures from across the globe.
Yeah.
We have delivered everywhere, and people are happy with our work. And finally, once the furniture has arrived to their place, they have placed it, took picture, sent it to us with their love and blessings, and we are really happy about this.
Yeah.
If you are looking for your furniture, your style of furniture, a furniture with your personal touch, with some customizations, fabric of your choice, color of your choice, we are right here. And people call our furniture
Choice wala furniture.
choice wala furniture for the same reason, because we make it as per your choice.
Yeah.
And the last point, factory price. We are the manufacturers and we deliver directly to your home. There is no trader, there is no middleman. So there is a lot of cost saving. We are making it here and delivering directly to your place and saving a lot of cost. So contact us and we'll make what you like. Hope you like the work. Thank you.
Thank you.